Hi guys, in this video I'll be sharing a few strategies of Block Blast game. As you can see, I am in the game of Block Blast, and I know some of you like this game very much and want to learn tips and tricks. So I will share a few of them with you. So the first one is make sure do not fill the place on the center, as a lot of people say that when you fill the place on center it becomes difficult to remove the items and you could lose the game. And the second step is just do not keep stacking on like each other. Try to cover the other space. As you can see, this being removed, so make sure to cover all the spaces properly and do not keep stacking on each other and fill the whole side and keep the other side empty. So keep a balance. Now the third tip is whenever you get a chance to remove any lines, simply remove it and do not take highly risks, as this could lead you to lose the game and eventually cause failure. And the last tip is take proper time to think and then adjust these things.
Great.
As in hurry, you might not be able to think properly and you might lose the game. So these are the few tips to be pro at this game, enjoy this game and make new records. So I hope you liked all of these tips. Try it in your game and enjoy the game.